Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Good afternoon. Thank you for joining us. I'm Steve.
And I'm Scott.
Together, we're Backyard Musings, the Weird Science and Technology channel.
Weird science?
Weird science.
Okay.
Science.
We're talking about it tonight or this afternoon. This is kind of an interesting one.
All right. Disrupting the chemical messages that oral bacteria use to coordinate growth may help prevent disease by keeping plaque communities in a healthier state. I thought plaque, you wanted to destroy it altogether.
Yep.
Like all living things, bacteria adapt in order to survive. Over time, many have become resistant to widely used antibiotics and disinfectants, creating growing challenges for healthcare and sanitation. At the same time, a large portion of bacteria are helpful and play essential roles in human health. Would you like to know more?
This raises an important question. Could shifting the behavior of bacteria inside the body help prevent disease and improve health outcomes? The hidden language of oral microbes. Bacteria communicate constantly. Hundreds of species in the human mouth send and receive chemical messages in a process called quorum sensing. Many rely on signaling molecules known as N-acyl. Is that right?
Yeah.
Homoserine lactones, which will further be known as AHLs, and that's to exchange. They're all known to be exchanging information. So, okay.
Researchers in the College of Biological Sciences and the School of Dentistry at the University of Minnesota set out to explore how oral bacteria use these signals and whether this communication can be altered to stop plaque from forming and support a healthier oral microbiome. Their findings, published in the journal MPJ, Biofilms and Microbiomes, point to possibilities that could reshape future medical treatments.
Okay, so what the researchers discovered about AHL signals. The team found in dental plaque, bacteria release AHLs in oxygen-rich areas, such as above the gum line. And these chemical messages can still be detected by bacteria living in low oxygen zones beneath the gum line.
Keep going.
Okay. When researchers used specialized enzymes called lactanases or lactanases, to remove AHL signals, the shift favored bacterial species that are linked to better oral health. These findings indicate that certain enzymes could be used to reshape the plaque community and help maintain a stable, health-supporting microbiome.
Quote, dental plaque develops in a sequence much like a forest ecosystem, said Mikhail Elias, associate professor in the College of Biological Sciences and senior author of the study. Continuing the quote, pioneer species like Streptococcus and Actimonices are the initial settlers in simple communities. They're generally harmless and associated with good oral health. Increasingly diverse late colonizers include the red complex bacteria like Porphyromonas gingivalis, which are strongly linked to periodontal disease. By disrupting the chemical signals bacteria use to communicate, one could manipulate the plaque community to remain or return to its health-associated stage.
Okay, this is a quote. What's particularly striking is how oxygen availability changes everything, said lead author Rakesh Sikdar. Going on with the quote, when we blocked AHL signaling in aerobic conditions, is that right? Aerobic?
Okay. Aerobic.
We saw more health-associated bacteria. But when we added AHLs under anaerobic conditions, we promoted the growth of disease-associated late colonizers. Quorum sensing may play very different roles above and below the gum line, which has major implications for how we approach treatment of periodontal disease. I've had that back, by the way.
Oh, I probably have too. The next step for researchers is to study how bacterial messaging occurs in different parts of the mouth and in patients with varying stages of periodontal disease. In other words, send me your money is what they're saying. Quote, understanding how bacterial communities communicate and organize themselves may ultimately give us new tools to prevent periodontal disease, not by waging war on oral bacteria. Peace, not war, but by
Right.
strategically maintaining a healthy microbial balance, said Elias.
The team hopes this method can be the foundation for therapeutics that can be used throughout the body, where microbiome dysbiosis,
Yep.
dysbiosis causes health problems and is linked to certain types of cancer. And we've talked about it in the past, and I've known where if your gums, you got issues with your gums or stuff, it can affect your heart, it can affect your bloodstream.
Yeah.
It's
We've talked about it before. Yeah.
yeah, it's a serious deal. But yeah, so I didn't go to the dentist for a long, long time, and then finally, I decided to go. And oh man, they were not happy with what they found. In fact,
Scott wasn't happy, huh?
yeah, no, it wasn't. So I actually ended up going to a different dentist, not because of that, but I went to a different dentist, and I'm on like a 3-month cleaning. I go every 3 months, and there's something about my mouth or the minerals in my saliva or whatever where I've got a lot of calcium. So I get a lot of buildup, and I brush and do all the normal maintenance that you're supposed to do. But yeah, and when I actually heard somebody had an issue, they got some kind of I don't want to say it was sepsis, but it was some kind of an infection, and they pinpointed it on their dental hygiene. So got to take that stuff very serious. So
Word.
anyway, yeah.
All right, folks. Thanks for joining us. We'll catch you tomorrow.
Yeah, great story. Thanks. Take care.
See ya. Hold on.
Okay, man.
We're still